how to delete GitHub accounts permanently. Okay, so when you log into your account, make sure that you click this menu and then go to the home page. Okay, so within the home page of your GitHub account, from the right hand side, you see your profile picture just like this one. Come and then click on it. Okay, and then scroll down to where we have the settings just like this one, and then come and click on it. Okay, so within the settings, when you look here, the left top corner, you see that we have the public profile. Simply come here to where we have the account and then come and select the account. So within your account, you will see that we have delete account right here, just like this one. Okay, so when you come down here where it says delete your account, come and then click on it. So this dialog box will come. Okay, and what you have to know is that it will delete everything from your account. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and then put your email address, that the one that you used to create your account right here, and then come down here and then come and type delete my account. Okay, just like this one, delete my account, and then simply come down here to where it says cancel plan and delete this account. Come and then click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, you will see that your account will be deleted just like this one. Like the video and then see you in my next video.